Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to view Twitter comments. Twitter has updated to the application X. So today we're going to be learning how to view the comments on the application X on your phone. So go ahead and open X. Now normally when you tap on a comment icon on the bottom of your screen, you should be able to see the comments that are on the post. However, on this application, when you tap on the comments icon, it will allow you to post your own reply or comment on the post instead of viewing the comments that are already on the post. So if you want to view the comments on the post, go ahead and tap on the time that it was posted on. As you can see, beside the X handle, you'll be able to see the time at which this post was posted on X. So if you simply tap on it, you'll be able to see all the comments that were posted under this post. And this is how you can view comments on Twitter or on X. And I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.